Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create custom combination chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to create the custom combination chart. At first select some data. Click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option and go to the all chart. Now I am select the combo. We can see here many combo chart. You can choose anything, otherwise create custom. Now I am select a chart and go to the custom option. Now I am select the series, the first chart. Now I am select the XY scatter, then select the series 2 and make another chart. You can add any chart. Now I am select the column chart. Otherwise you can change the another chart. Now I am select the column and the radar. Click OK. Then select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Click the drop down menu and choose any color. Now I am select the color of the chart. You can change the color of chart. Select this color. You can add any element or remove any element. Now I am rename the title of the chart. Now we can see we create custom combination chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.